Jack Amos, PVT of the 1st Choctaw Battalion in Mississippi, CSA in 1905 at age 77. The Chunky Creek train wreck of 1863 happened during the American Civil War near the town of Chunky, Mississippi on the Chunky River. On February 19, 1863 the train left the Meridian, Mississippi Depot at 3 a.m. to transport Confederate soldiers and some civilians to the Battle of Vicksburg. The weight of the debris caused the bridge to shift, leaving it 6 inches out of alignment. Attempts to warn the train failed, and the bridge collapsed as the train crossed. The locomotive was totally submerged with the attached wooden boxcars demolished. The cargo debris of barrels, boxes, and supplies could be found floating in the winter cold stream. Over 40 out of nearly 100 passengers were killed because of the high-speed impact, but others drowned after being trapped under the wreckage. After the disastrous train wreck, Choctaw Confederate Indians, who were organized days earlier, led rescue and recovery efforts. Spann describes the horrific scene. The engineer was under military orders, and his long train of cars was filled with Confederate soldiers, who, like the engineer, were animated with but one impulse: to Vicksburg. To victory or death. Onward rushed the engineer. The bridge had swerved out of Plum, and into the raging waters. With nearly 100 soldiers, the rear car was precipitated. Spann was based at a Confederate military training camp near the crash scene. Eaton Tuba and Elder Williams, the Indians, rushed to the scene, stripped, and plunged into the flooded creek. When daylight came, the bodies, cargo, and $80,000 were recovered from the stream. The investigation discovered that a winter flood caused a debris buildup which shifted the bridge trestle.